Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today I'm going to show you how to start a wood floor and jazz it up with a border strip. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons. Well, actually, it's just one of my sons, Hunter, today, and I also have Joe working with us, but he is no relation. So today we're back out at one of my favorite clients' homes. We just did a really awesome video from here. You're going to definitely want to check it out. We showed you really in depth how to spread glue, how to start floors, you name it. This is a great video. I'm going to put the link below, above, probably all over the place, but definitely check it out. But today we're going to keep this simple. We're going to keep it all under 3 minutes. We're going to show you how to start a floor and how to put a border, I like to call them feature strips, but a border strip in the doorway and really dress up and transition your floor to whatever you have outside the room. So without any further ado, let's hit it. Well, it looks really cool. It's really simple. If you do it the way we did it, follow the steps, get that border strip cut to size and fitted before you put any glue down, because once you put the glue down, it gets messy. Trust me, I've been there. I've been covered in glue. I've been sticky. I've had employees go home with nothing but their underwear. Oh, I was one of my sons with nothing but his underwear on. He was little, whatever. But anyways, it gets messy. Dry cut all your pieces ahead of time is the advice from today, and it makes it a lot easier. Well, I hope you found that useful. Like I said, we have a in-depth video from the last time we were at this client's home, which shows you how to do it all. If you like our work and you want to really help support our channel, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera equipment, or maybe you just want to buy the guys lunch. They eat a lot. They would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. So the link is below. Be sure to also share, like, and pass this video on to others. That helps us more than anything else you can do. It really helps to help our channel grow. That makes a huge, huge difference. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content, though. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.